Welcome to Beautyistic. Ever wonder if your shampoo is doing more than just cleaning your hair? If you're looking to repair weak, damaged hair and give it a thicker, fuller feel, you might just want to stick around for this review. Today, we're taking a closer look at Regrowth Mega Thick Growth Shampoo, a product that promises to not only cleanse your hair, but also help strengthen and thicken it with a blend of shea butter, vitamins, and botanical thickeners. Before we jump in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss one of our honest beauty reviews. Regrowth Mega Thick Growth Shampoo is formulated with a combination of nourishing ingredients aimed at thickening and strengthening weak, damaged hair. The key ingredients here include shea butter, which is known for its hydrating properties, along with a selection of vitamins and botanical thickeners. These ingredients work together to help repair the hair structure, making it feel more resilient with each use. It's designed for all hair types, though it seems to be especially beneficial for those with fine or thinning hair. When I first started using this shampoo, I was intrigued by its thick texture and pleasant, slightly creamy fragrance. The shampoo itself lathers up nicely, creating a rich foam that coats the hair without feeling too heavy or greasy. I found it easy to incorporate into my usual routine, and I like that it rinsed out easily, leaving my hair feeling clean but not stripped. It's a great option for anyone looking for a balance between a gentle cleanse and a boost in thickness. After several uses, I definitely noticed that my hair felt fuller, and it also seemed to have a bit more body to it, especially in the roots. That said, while it did help with the overall texture and thickness of my hair, I didn't experience any dramatic transformation in terms of hair growth, which, to be fair, was not a claim the product made. This shampoo definitely works best as part of a longer-term routine, and it's a good match for anyone looking to maintain or subtly improve the volume and strength of their hair. One of the things I like about Regrowth Mega Thick Growth Shampoo is that it's formulated with natural ingredients like shea butter, which is fantastic for providing moisture to the hair. However, one thing I would mention is that the shampoo doesn't have a super luxurious or invigorating scent. While it's not unpleasant by any means, it's not quite as indulgent as some higher-end shampoos. If you're looking for something that's more of a sensory experience, this might not be it. Let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the shampoo is effective in adding volume and texture to the hair, especially if you have fine or thinning strands. The shea butter and vitamin blend help hydrate and strengthen hair, and the price is reasonable for what you're getting. On the downside, the scent could be more refined, and if you're looking for immediate, drastic hair growth, this may not meet your expectations. When it comes to value for money, I think Regrowth Mega Thick Growth Shampoo does a solid job. It's not overpriced, and the results, while not extreme, are noticeable over time. The natural ingredients are a plus, and the fact that it helps to nourish and repair while giving a fuller feel to the hair is a great value for those looking for gradual improvement. It's not a miracle worker, but it's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a shampoo that supports thicker, stronger hair. Now, as far as alternatives go, if you're looking for a shampoo with similar claims, but want to explore other options, I would recommend checking out the OGX Biotin and Collagen Shampoo. It's a bit more widely available and also has a similar promise of strengthening and thickening fine hair. The pricing is comparable, and it also uses a blend of vitamins and botanical ingredients, though it doesn't have the same focus on shea butter. So, where does this shampoo stand in terms of build quality? I have to say the bottle design is simple but functional. The plastic is sturdy, and the cap is easy to use without being overly bulky. It's not the most exciting packaging, but it's not something that detracts from the overall experience. As for longevity, I've been using it for a few weeks now, and it's still going strong. No noticeable decline in quality or efficacy. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments below. In terms of customer support, I haven't had a direct experience with Regrowth's team, but based on their reputation, they seem to have a solid track record of addressing customer queries. It's always good to know that a brand stands behind its products if any issues arise. When it comes to product alternatives, I've already mentioned the OGX Biotin and Collagen Shampoo, but if you want something that's a bit more luxurious, you could also try the Pureology Clean Volume Shampoo. It's pricier, but offers a salon-quality boost to fine hair and is known for its eco-friendly ingredients. Just keep in mind that if you're on a tighter budget, DoGrow provides a great bang for your buck. Now, for the final verdict, DoGrow Mega Thick Growth Shampoo offers solid performance in terms of thickening and strengthening weak, damaged hair. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a gradual, affordable solution to hair that needs a little extra volume. However, if you're expecting dramatic hair growth results, you might want to manage your expectations. Overall, I think it's a good fit for those who are looking for a gentle, natural shampoo that helps maintain healthy, fuller-looking hair. Thank you for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. If you're considering giving it a try, remember you can find the link to purchase in the comments. Thanks again, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.